Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to make sliding doors in Minecraft. First, dig out a 3x2 cavity like this. Then dig a strip like this and place redstone at the bottom everywhere. Next, place a torch here. Put wool on top and place redstone on the wool. After that, place pistons 1, 2 and here 1 and 2. Then place the block that will slide and put something underneath to hide the mechanism. Just like this. Now close it all up and place pressure plates here. And there you go, that's it. This was Weller. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.